Hi everybody and welcome back to my Lupus Diary. This is Disha for you. I hope you guys are doing awesome. So today I really wanted to talk about what autoimmune disorders are. Typically there are so many people who come across and they just ask me what do I suffer from because I don't look sick. Well, that is what happens. In autoimmune disorder, the patient does not look sick. Yes, but they are. The chronic illness, you cannot define a person is sick or healthy just by the looks. It does not need to be that you need to look sick to be sick or feel sick, right? So, that is what we are going to talk about. What autoimmune disorders are, define them, and understand them. That's all I want to tell you guys in this particular vlog. So, before we start the vlog, I would love if you can subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you are notified every time I put in a new vlog. Also, your subscriptions matters to me a lot because that gives me a boost and encourages me to do more vlogs and give you more content on a regular basis. So, before any ado, let's start with the vlog. What is immunity? Let's first understand that immunity is your antibodies that are there to protect you from external organs like foreign organs like bacteria, viruses, germs, like what happened in COVID, right? So all these things are to be fought, and that is done by WBC, that is our antibodies, right? So when antibodies typically are there to protect the organs from outside bodies or outside organisms, right? Now, when this does not happen, for whatever reason, because the reasons are unknown and nobody really knows what the reason is, but your antibodies in return start to attack your own body. Yes, they take your own organs as foreign organs. So your antibodies end up hitting and destroying your own organs as foreign bodies or foreign organs. And that is when it is known as an autoimmune disorder, where the antibodies either are acting into a very hyperactive form or where they get very hyperactive, or there are cases when the antibodies try to create autoantibodies and they are going to hit your own organs, and do not accept your organs as their own organs, is when you get an autoimmune disorder. Now the reasons for having an autoimmune disorder are unknown. Typically, there are almost 80 autoimmune disorders, starting from systematic lupus, that which I have, celiac disease, which I have, thyroidism. Then you have type 1 diabetes, which is also a autoimmune disorder. Then you have uh, IBS, which is also an autoimmune disorder. Celiac disease is there. Then RA, rheumatoid arthritis, is an autoimmune disorder. Multiple sclerosis, that is MS, is also autoimmune disorder. Uh, uh, POD is also autoimmune disorder. And there are so many autoimmune disorders. Almost 80 autoimmune disorders are there which are known right now in the medicine, right? Now, most of these autoimmune disorders have symptoms that are related to joint pains or your gut, which does affect your gut, or these are going to affect your skin. So you might have rashes, you might have scars, you might have boils, you have something or other, right? which shows up on your skin, and that is a symptom when you can have autoimmune disorder, which you need to go to a doctor to check. But what you need to remember is sometimes to detect if you have an autoimmune disorder or you do not have an autoimmune disorder, it takes years. Yes, it takes 5 6 years at times to just detect what disorder you have. But then you have to stay calm and you have to work on it, and you have to trust the medical system that they'll find out what you are suffering from. But remember, and this is a request, that if you have a single symptom that you feel is something that is not normal, and you are having a symptom where you think that something in the body is giving me alerts, like, ooh, ping, I'm not well, there is something wrong in the body, that is when you have to seek the help of a medical practitioner. They will send you to a roommate in the end. If they have to, they will do the needful test. They will send you to the specialist that needs to take over your case later on. But first, you need to go and see a GP and find out what is going on and what is wrong with the body. Because anything, even a rash on your skin, cannot be a normal thing. Or having joint pains is just not seasonal, or just not age. It can be autoimmune disorder, or having IBS, like just suffering from too much of diarrhea every now and then is not normal, or having your gut always spoiled, or having hyperacidity is not normal. For all these symptoms, or and many more, there is nothing normal in the body when it comes to discomfort point. So anything that is discomfort for you, you need to go and see the medical practitioner. So over here, I think now we were typically understood what immunity is and what autoimmune disorders are. Let us just revise what immunity is and what autoimmune disorders are in a brief. Immunity is when your antibodies are protecting your organs from other organs, other foreign organisms like viruses, bacteria, or germs, right? Whereas autoimmune disorders is when you are going to have your own antibodies reacting against you and attacking your own organs, right? And they are going to harm them in many ways, like any of the disorder that you suffer, that is just because of that. The reasons for this are unknown, and that is why you are supposed to be patient. Chronic illnesses are going to be lifelong. You are going to have to deal with them with a patient mind, a calm mind, and a focus, that you have to just stay better and do everything possible and be the best version of yourself in every situation that you're going to face. Apart from that, just keep smiling, and yes, life is about being happy in every situation possible. Until next vlog, this is Disha signing off. Take care. Bye bye.